Hi there, Liesl. Hope you're well. I'm just doing a quick tutorial on the attribute and variations issue that we were experiencing on the website. So, of course, WordPress and WordPress is always, transforming. So this is one instance where it has transformed. So you did do everything correctly as per our last training sessions. But I have fixed it, and as you can see, I've added a green um, cooler to the cart. It is now working. It's not showing us that error anymore. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if we go into the back end of the product, I have removed it now, and you went to attributes and you added a custom color attribute. Now we're not going to do this step on the custom attributes. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to on the left hand side on our dashboard under products. If you scroll down, there's an attributes tab. You're going to open up that in a new tab, and I've already created the attribute, the color attribute for you. So here you will see I've created the color tab already, and here this configure terms, this is where you can change and update your attribute. As you can see, I've got black, green, gray, hazelnuts, pink, and tobacco. So we're going to configure these terms quickly. We're going to add another color so I can show you the example. So just say, for example, you want to add a red color as well. You're going to say add new color. Over there, now you have your red attribute, your red color. But now we're going to go back to the products. Let's just update this page. Your wine cooler product. So we're just updating the page. So now we can actually add the color variation. So we're going to scroll down to attributes. Then we're going to scroll down and we're just going to click this little down arrow, select color, say add. And now we've got where we're going to put in our different colors. But first, of course, this attribute is used for variations and not on the product page. Please, very, very important. And here is where we're going to select our colors. And here we're just going to select all. And now we can just click off the ones that we don't want. So we don't want to use pink and we don't want to use red. So here we have got our colors that we want to use. And we're going to say save attribute. And then for variation, okay, let me just quickly remove all of these so I can just show you from scratch. Okay, so then once you've done the color, you're going to go to the variations. You're going to say add variations, but we're first going to click on the little down arrow here and say create variations for all attributes and say go. Okay. So now it's going to create one attribute for each color. Fantastic. Now, more importantly, we need to add a price to each of these attributes. Otherwise, if we don't put a price in here, it's going to say that the product is out of stock, which is what it's telling you here. So here we're going to click down on the down arrow again. And we're going to say set regular prices. And if I'm correct, it was 892, 892, and say OK. So now it's going to put in the regular price on all of them. So you don't need to go one by one. And now we're going to add the sale price. Say go, 715, OK. And that is it. Now it is put in the regular price and the sale price in for you. And now we simply go update. And now if we're going to go back to the wine cooler, let's just refresh this page. Wonderful. Okay, it's just telling me it's been removed from the cart because I've made changes, but that's okay. So now let's just start from scratch. Let's just refresh this page again. Fantastic. Okay, so now if we're going to add this to the cart, black